as we continue to muscle this subnetting, for you all to understand deeper, we're going on the class B side now, which we have an IP address of 196.16.144.99/23, and the question asks is this the question is asked is if 99 is a host, network, or broadcast address, and the only way we're going to find out that is through the magic number. All right, so as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 5, 5, another 8, 2, 5, 5. But now we stop on this portion here, which is the B portion, which is 7 ones and a 0 because it's 23. And then all these zeros on this side. So we stop on this portion here. So basically, if you look at the place values, 1 and 2, 2 is the magic number, which means networks would be incremented by 2. All right, so you go to 0, everything will go by 2. All right, 2, 4, 8, right? And I could go to 10, 12, and so on, 14. So I could continue and go straight up to, since I need to be in this network here, I'll go to 144, right? 146, and I'm going to really stop here, to be honest, because I really need to be within this range here now. All right, so we know that the network is 144, so we know that the broadcast address to this network would be 196.16.144, right, .0, and we'll go all the way up to 196.16.145.255. You understand? Because the next address would be 146, would be .0, will be the next network address for this particular network, 146 now, subnet I should say now. So we're going from 144.0, which will be the network address, all right, and the broadcast address will be 255. So basically, we could identify that 99 here is considered as a usable host. All right, my bad, 99 here is considered as a usable host, right, on this particular network here. All right, so it's basically for us to understand that we no longer on the C portion, we know on the B portion, and the same place values is applied here. The network goes up by 2, right? We just skip all of that number inside at 144 to 146, because that's the next network between those two. So we know that 99 is a usable host because 196.16.144.0 is the network address, and 196.16.145.255 is considered as a broadcast address, and 99 is a usable host. Now, one of the interesting things that we need to identify here is the number of hosts within this subnet here. I'm going to count the zeros here. We'll notice 8 zeros here, and then this one here will make it 9. So I will go 2 to the power of 9, which is basically 512 hosts, but it's only 510 usable hosts, because one will go for the network address and the other one will go for the broadcast address.